tweet that it happened, so you.
Oh, okay. It's on me now. Every flip. This is so awkward. All right. Oh, this is pretty cool though. This little stand thing.
The gimbals.
All right. You want to talk about what we're doing here?
Yeah, we were gonna shill for the new release and show the great metrics of 0810 compared to 089, but it seems like we're having some technical difficulties, and we thought we'd loop you guys into the technical difficulties. You know, this is part of our life here, so in the interest of transparency, you get to see us try to fix this.
staged intro plan, but
We did have a nice.
This one's
It was
more
nice.
real.
Is there any metrics that do work that are interesting?
Well, I mean, the ones that are really interesting, the ones that we were going for, is these ones here. Turn cutting's always been an issue with OpenPilot, especially in laneless mode, and we've had some fixes recently that significantly improved that. So basically, it's just an adaptive weighting that if the model is very certain and you're cutting a turn, that it's more aggressive in correcting when the model is certain. And we had some metrics that proved how much better this was in 0810, which is the ones we're trying to fix now. But really, this should be a very noticeable improvement in the turning behavior when you're driving laneless. Laneless keeps getting better. So hopefully you guys
Zero. Woo.
I don't know if is that good? All right, what do we got? Is it gonna work? Rick, or this?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right, so let's compare these two. So here you can see turn cutting on left turns. On average, you're 3 centimeters too far inside the turn, and in right turns, that's 1.5 centimeters. And this is for 0810, so this is what's about to go to release. And then if we look at Master, you can see that's more than twice as much. So we're really getting a pretty significant improvement in turn cutting on laneless.
Sweet.
So that's something great to look forward to.
Awesome.
Like some nice metrics are the DM stuff too. I think people think we ignore DM a lot.
Do we want to look at the DM metrics?
I think we should just show them.
Yeah, let's check them out, everybody.
Care about DM.
Yeah, DM's pretty important.
Are these? Is it this TV?
Yeah, this TV. Yeah, you can see here some things.
I think
How often-
the alert ones are pretty cool.
Yeah, how often people get distracted, alerts, the differences between nighttime, daytime, difference between comma 2, comma 3.
Cool stuff.
3% of users got at least 100 yellow or red alerts in the last week. That's pretty cool. Should we show them try it too? And
We can try it on here, right?
yeah. Vivek, you wanna let them try it too?
Oh, we got more of the next, bringing up more and more metrics.
Whoa.
Look at this. We got another graph here.
It's a graph. It shows.
Which
This
way this is
is
supposed to
it's just a distribution of the red deltas in left and right turns. So there's left and there's right.
Nice.
And this is for master, but for
Oh, so this isn't gonna have change, right?
yeah, it wouldn't change much. A little.
Yeah, so this is the bias that's caused by the roll, because the turns are always banked into the turn. So once Vivek is done with the roll compensation project, those
It
should be
coincide.
together.
Nice.
So
What do you want to see?
Just go on comma.ai.
comment on AI. Does anyone have any questions?
Want to
about
enhance the
release?
size of it like to
Yeah.
like 200%. Oh. All right, everyone. New thing. George talked about it on Discord, but it's live and real. You can now try comma 2 and upgrade to a comma 3 within 90 days. Just pay the difference. The try 2.
Try two program.
Try 2 program. So yeah, over here on this new page, comma.ai/compare, we have both of the products we sell. We have the price differences here. And underneath, this is my favorite part. I wrote this. I wrote modified phone in a case. It's true. Comma 3, purpose-built hardware. It goes over just some tech specs and the differences between them. And I probably need to make this a little better, but comma 3 has nav, so that's pretty exciting.
Should we
Probably
have,
we have
it should be like the new, like
New,
the blinky.
yeah, I should make it neon green. So those are the differences.
Has 24 more dragons.
Oh, it has
That's what I'm telling you.
It has.
Has a SSD, more pixels on the screen, and it's an OLED. Yeah, comma 3 is a huge upgrade. People know that, and that's why the next section is what the community thinks. And there's a bunch of people's quotes from Discord, so we're not making this stuff up. This is what people are saying about their comma 3 purchase.
Red acid. Trust red acid. Master branch is glorious right now. XXX clam.
Or cat loaf.
Wait, who's Nabil of the day? Is there a new
That's just
Nabil every
Nabil.
day?
It's just referencing that it's the Nabil.
Of that day.
Oh, I see. Of
Yeah.
Nabil Day.
Yeah.
What a
the
legend.
Nabil Day fame.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
also, Sin Bin Sam has some wisdom.
that's a short and sweet. Seems like a no-brainer to me. Someone just said in chat. I agree. So yeah, just open up this first. Try to. Talking about it. All right, go to how it works and open up this. So yeah, check it out. All you gotta do is purchase a comma 2.
I was gonna go for a drive.
If you like it, do nothing. If you want to upgrade to a comma 3, keep going. There's a new discount code for the comma 3. 3 for me. This code gives you the price off that you paid for the comma 2. And then, yeah, you just send your comma 2 back to us. Keep your harness and everything set up. And yeah, we'll ship you a comma 3 once it comes back. So all the details are on this page, but I think this is really great for new users who don't necessarily want to pay everything because they have never tried OpenPilot before. They don't know if it's worth this much. You'll find out it is worth this much once you try a comma 2 and check it out for yourself. Anything you want to add about the Try a 2 program? Adib, I know you think it's a good
Yeah, it's a great program.
program.
Hopefully gets people into comma 3s or just into the ecosystem in general.
Yeah.
I don't know what else. What else did I just say? Should be a nice entry point in the whole ecosystem.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anybody else have anything to say about the program?
It's exciting.
No, I think that's it. We got.
Real talk. Alright, so look, not enough people are buying comma 3s. That's real talk, right? We're making a little bit more money with 3s than we made with 2s, but that's obviously a lot less units sold. So, you know, we need a way for new people who are like, oh, that's expensive to come in and buy it. Try it too. Hey, if you don't like the 2, send it back in 30 days as well.
Yeah, free.
Free. You know, it's like nothing, bro. Like, get in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got, fundraising's over. So, you know, if you're like, you send an email today, like, oh, I want to be a part of Comma's fundraising round. I'll see you in 3 years.
All right, yeah, so try it too. It's gonna be great. Do we want to check out the?
Enter in longitudinal. Sure, I
Let's
think.
do the Mazda. Or...
I think Jordan wants to go for a drive and enter on.
Oh, I want to drive it. Yeah.
All right,
You
yeah.
wanna do Mazda first or?
Either's fine.
It's the same to me.
Oh, no, I just want to do it.
All right, how about we do the Mazda real quick, and we're back in 5 minutes, then we do intent longitudinal.
All right, cool.
All right. So let's go check out the Mazda.
Are we gonna check out the Mazda?
Yeah,
We're gonna go for a drive, or we're just gonna check it
we'll
out?
go for a quick test drive of it.
Problem is it has a minimum steering speed. Let me drive.
All right, let's go. Let's check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out. All right.
Here it is. The Mazda. All right, we're going in.
We got a real clean install from Nick.
Yeah, look at this. Nick's always the professional installer. I'm sitting on a laptop.
I've got to get Comma Prime in here.
Oh wow, no prime.
No Prime. I couldn't afford it.
Wait, look
Not
at this
enough 3s
interior.
sold.
It's a nice interior.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's like a better RAV4.
Yeah, it's smaller, isn't it? It feels a little smaller. But yeah, this is the first Mazda, right? That
Well, we had other
support.
Mazda supported, but this will be the first one that's not in dash cam only mode.
Yeah, and so for those who don't know, there's a bunch of Mazdas that are in dash cam only mode, and the reason it doesn't like that corner. It's the same corner we cut out last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Everyone's saying F.
Are we back? Did they say?
I think we're back. Yeah, I think we're back.
Why do the YouTube make this more clear?
I know.
Hmm.
It showed up a prompt that's like, do you want to reconnect? Yes or no? I said yes. All right, yeah, we're back. So yeah, I was just saying there's a bunch of Mazdas in dash cam only mode, and the reason they're in dash cam only mode is because you have to keep constant steering torque on the wheel. But yeah, with this newer Mazda, you don't have to do that, so we can make it
Yeah, this is
in
the
OpenPilot.
2021 CX-9.
Yeah, it's pretty
Uh,
nice.
Yeah, shout out to Jakar. He's the one who did the Mazda port. He's brought in all the cars so far. And he's the one that found out this one doesn't have a lockout.
Yeah, and he owns it himself.
Yeah, he even switched. Once he found out it didn't have a lockout, he upgraded his car and he got one of these great CX-9s.
Oh, he's in here.
Oh, he's in there?
He said yay.
Oh, nice. Yeah, thanks for all the hard work, Jakar. It's a really high quality port. He's got firmware query in there. I think it was our first brand to be the only have firmware query. Maybe it was Volkswagen, but I think it was Mazda.
I think it was Mazda.
Yeah. Got rid of all the CAN fingerprints. It was a little easy because we just deleted them all because it was dash cam on. But yeah, great work.
Yeah.
Just fixing up a couple of bugs. We rented one to verify it, but I don't know. It's a very beepy car.
It is. Beeps for everything. Whoa,
There
you
we
just
go.
engage? Nice.
Yep. Hands off.
Look at that.
Oh, and then it beeps. We gotta fix that.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna make it real nice before we give it back to the rental company. But when this ships in 0811, you'll have a great experience on your CX-9.
Yeah, it's standard on all trims, right?
I believe so. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. We already sell the harness for it, so that's easy too. It's the same as the FCA harness. We lucked out there. The same exact harness.
Yeah. So if you have a Pacifica, which I don't think has the greatest open pallet support, you can trade up to a CX-9 and keep the same harness.
Yeah.
Beep is annoying. Seems whenever you interact with it.
Huh, interesting. We gotta fix the beep.
Oh, yeah. I mean, the steering's quite smooth.
Is it like
It's
Honda
great.
kind of steering where it's like smooth and everything?
Yeah.
We're approaching
I
a
feel like
turn.
it's more similar to
See how it looks.
the Hyundai steering.
Oh, that's good.
But
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I hear Jakar's working on longitudinal support too.
Oh, nice. That's gonna be great.
Yeah.
How's the torque and your experience?
We've only had it for less than a day now, but the torque seems pretty good. I haven't gone on that many drives, but
Nice. Yeah, I mean, it
It's,
seems good. Better than Accord.
way better than the Accord. The Accord isn't that bad though.
Yeah. The problem with the Accord, we've been talking about this, is that it beeps when it doesn't need to beep a lot. So that's something we need to work on.
Yeah.
It's like, it
Yeah,
makes a
we-
lot of turns, but it beeps.
I also found with this car that this car faults the EPS a lot. So we found that the red alerts are super annoying on steering unavailable. We're gonna get that fixed for 0811. I know certain people have complained about it quite a bit. And we
Great.
fixed it for the Toyotas, but I guess it faults more on these cars, so we'll fix it once and for all. We're really trying to work on the reducing Open Pilot's rough edges project.
The car said I fixed the chime, but Adib doesn't like my fix.
No, we're gonna fix it properly. We're gonna get all the dash alerts in there.
How's the longitudinal? Seems pretty nice.
Yeah, the launch was pretty good.
Does an alert come up when we go below the steering limit?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, sweet.
Some traffic here. Well, yeah, it's a really nice car, so I'm sure, someone out there watching the stream, maybe one of you has one.
We have
and,
quite a few Mazda users actually. Last time I checked. Oh, yeah, here's the alert.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then there's that speed too low alert, and that's stupid too because it doesn't tell you what the actual minimum speed is. So.
Oh, really? It just
Yeah,
says
yeah.
speed
We'll get that fixed up too.
Nice.
Didn't get too close.
Traffic. This will be good for N10 longitudinal, probably.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the next.
We just got to get back to the office now in traffic.
Yeah.
But yeah, how do you verify a brand port? How do you go about?
I thought
Doing
that was a real user question, but there's Jason
Nice.
representing. Can it do stop and go? It's doing stop and go right now. It just
Yeah.
doesn't steer, unfortunately.
Yeah. Oh well. We'll flip this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you verify a brand port? Like, we got this car, we rented it. What is that?
Yeah,
What does that
so-
entail?
I mean, the first part is driving it around. So we found a couple bugs right off the bat. Like, it doesn't always cancel. And that's a pretty big no-no. that we got to fix. Let's try to get in here.
Try to get it.
The blinkers were wrong. And it's like, this stuff isn't necessarily the fault of the maintainer. Can we sneak in?
Yeah.
Sneak in. Oh, these guys are so nice. They let like 2 people in.
Nice. This car's beeping.
Yeah, it's a very beepy car. It's like the Sonata.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we found a couple bugs right off the bat, but I think this is a lot of the problem is we don't communicate what the Open Pilot experience is super well. And I think we're going to try to do a better job of this now. We launched our docs page. It's going to be at docs.com.ai. That's going to be the
excited.
documentation for developing Open Pilot, as opposed to the wiki where it's very hand-holdy kind of help getting started. we kind of want to move away from. Okay, maybe not move away from that, but we want to segment off the development documentation away from that kind of stuff, and build out our documentation a little more. Find a used compatible car. Oh, these are
There's internal conversations.
I see.
Cheapest car that works with comma. Someone asked if Honda's still the best. I think Hyundais are the best.
Well, those are pretty good.
They're pretty good.
What
Every
do you mean
car
the
is every
best?
car has its own quirks. I don't think there's one car that's just like this is perfect in every single way.
Yeah, but I don't know. Architecturally, the Toyotas are still the cleanest.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I feel like a lot of cars are a good choice. Yeah. See this alert? This needs to tell you the minimum speed. I don't know what the minimum speed actually is. I think it's 28 miles an hour.
That's annoying. You can't engage, and it just sets the speed to that. That's super annoying.
But yeah, so as far as a brand port though, a lot of the work we do is kind of fixing those things that we don't communicate super well, and then the other part is verifying the safety. So we do injection testing, we go through all the Panda safety and make sure it works properly, and that kind of stuff. So that's what I'll be doing later half of today. Right now I'm fixing up all those little things like we just merged a PR to fix the blinker states. So now when the convenience blinker works and it's not tied to the lamps anymore, you'd see like the lane change alert flicker.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it's like if you haven't driven another car, it's hard to tell, or even just from reading the code, it's hard to tell what these things are supposed to be. So we're really gonna try to fix that up and communicate this stuff better.
Yeah. Jakar said 32 miles an hour.
Oh, glad Jakar's in here.
Man, that's gonna be hard to get up to 32 miles an hour.
I know.
How do you use this in stop and
Why
go?
do we disengage?
That's like the weirdest limitation I've ever heard of. Because like you want to use it in stop and go, but you have to get all the way up to 32 to make it work in stop and go. Huh. Oh well. That's
I don't know,
pretty
what
cool.
else do the people want to know? The pedal.
Pedal. I don't know. Eric just said pedal.
Oh.
Yeah. What else do you all want to know about? Brand ports and our new documentation stuff. I'm pretty excited about it. It's looking really cool. We'll have some proper developer documentation for OpenPilot.
I mean, I think what we
better.
deployed this morning, I think, is really about discoverability.
Right.
And it's just kind of hard to find stuff right now. But if you go to, I'm not sure if it's up at docs.comma.ai yet, but if you go to docs.aks.comma.ai, you can see it there. And it really shows you all the documentation we have. At least that's in the OpenPilot repo. Whereas it's not super easy to discover it right now. We kind of get caught up in the way that we learn OpenPilot, or at least when like new employees come. You just kind of grep around the code base, but this is kind of a big ask for somebody who just found your repo and wants to start poking around in it. Cloning OpenPilot actually takes quite a long time. We're going to fix that too.
Yeah. I think your car
Honda
said...
Ioniq 5. And we don't know anything about specific. I can engage at ZERP.
I think you mean 0.
Yeah.
Is there anything that's going to be a limiting factor going forward?
Single Panda was a limiting factor. Now we have multi-Panda. We're going to merge that PR.
Yeah, that's exciting. Multi-Panda's cool if you have like a car, like there's a few Nissans where the longitudinal like control is on a different bus, and we ran out of buses, so you can have 2 Pandas hooked up and get longitudinal working that way. I know Robe's doing that for his Tesla AP2 Model S. He has 2 Pandas, so he can do longitudinal control. But also, that means you can support the red Panda and run it simultaneously with the built-in dose on the Comma 3.
The dose.
Does community sport cars have to tune longitudinal per car?
Every car's tuned like that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all
I mean, all the tuning's kind of community done.
Yeah.
Though, shout out to, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Quadmus, I think.
Oh, yeah. The first real tuning PR.
Yeah, we got a nice tuning PR. He put all the plots in there. The Volt used to be the worst car. Hopefully with 0 to 10 this has changed. And we're going to start releasing metrics on this. And we'll make like a nice document every release maybe of how OpenPilot is your car.
Yeah.
And then, you'll be motivated. You'll know that your Honda I don't know, clarity or whatever.
Honda Fit.
Yeah, Honda Fit is a shit car, and you know you should. Can we say that? You should fix the tuning.
Yeah. We're 27 miles an hour. We're getting close.
Oh, this is so
Can
lame.
almost engage.
This guy doesn't want to listen. There we go.
Nice. Yeah,
Okay.
making our way back to the office. Then we're gonna check out in Longitudinal, some updates there. Pretty exciting.
Yeah, stay tuned after the commercial break.
Oh, we're so close.
Oh,
We're
we
at
should put the
29
try
miles
two
an
in the
hour.
middle, and then that could have been a commercial break.
Yeah. Well, let's just reiterate. Try it too for all those
Yeah.
all those new entering the stream.
Yeah, you want to do that?
Yeah. So, oh, we're back.
Oh, we got it to engage.
Woo! Oh, we're about to drop below. Oh no, it's not
still doing
steering.
ACC.
Yeah, I mean at least we're half all right. Oh well. So yeah, try it too. New program. Check it out. Just go to comma.ai. It's right on the top. There's a banner. What it is you want to try OpenPilot on your car, but you're like, man, I've never tried OpenPilot. I don't even know if it's any good. I don't want to spend $2,200 to just try it out. So now you can buy a comma 2, try it out for up to 90 days, and any point within those 90 days, you're like, man, OpenPilot's great. I think I should get a comma 3. You can just like trade it up, pay the difference. So it's a really cool program. It lets you just try out OpenPilot. Also, of course, every product on our shop has a 30-day return policy, so you could also just buy a comma 3, and if you don't like it, return it within 30 days.
Yep, this is what we're trying to fix.
Oh,
That's so annoying.
we missed the alert,
okay,
but it was
again.
red. Was it because you touched it? Who
yeah,
knows?
Yeah, I think it's because they override. I mean, a lot of cars faults. A lot of the EPS is faults when you override. But,
Right.
Mazda seems to fault for a little bit longer.
Yeah. So that's gonna be great. You can literally go in the shop today, buy a comma 2, nothing special about it. Just buy a regular comma 2. Once you buy your comma 3, you use the code 3 for me, and you get that amount off. Then you just have to send the comma 2 back to us, and yeah, that's it. We'll
Yeah.
send you your comma 3.
Yeah, I think you guys will be really happy with comma 3s. They're a real consumer electronic. We worked really hard to make them nice.
Yes.
The comma 2s are, you know, they drive your car, but comma 3 is nice. And it'll grow with you. You'll see all this nice new OpenPilot functionality.
Yeah, that's very exciting. For those who don't remember, like the comma 2 used to not be good at all when it came out. It was a cool.
Right. It was great.
It was
ran
great.
OpenPilot 071.
Yes,
It was good. You know.
it was good for OpenPilot 071. We've OpenPilot's a lot better now. We have assisted lane change.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh, we hit torque limit.
Oh, I did this earlier though.
In case you're going too fast.
There we go.
This is a torque limit, roughly. Oh, I think we're leveling out. That's not
Yeah, this is
it's
good.
better than a Accord, but
Nice banked turn here. Maybe Vivek has some announcements around that.
yeah, you can tell because we're so slanted on the stream because the stabilizer stabilizes just to what perfectly straight is.
Should we show them some lane changes? Oh, this guy's not happy.
Yeah, we gotta get over one more. It's really a lot of traffic today.
Yeah.
Someone said hardware costs money.
Hardware? Yeah, unfortunately it does. It costs us a lot of money too.
Yeah, we gotta make all the hardware. So we do have a lot of comma 2s available. So, you know, try it out, see how you like it. I think it's gonna be great for all those people who used to be trying comma 2s, and that's how they got into the ecosystem. Now you can keep doing that, and you still have the opportunity to get a comma
Oh,
3.
that's so bad. We're also working on new sounds, for those of you who don't know. The new
Yes.
sounds are going to be great. I know some people complain about the new sounds that are in that branch, and complain they're not coming to the comma 2. That's a work in progress branch. It's not. Oh, it's not steering. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, we're working on new sounds. Our sound guy's killing it.
Yeah, that sounded really good. Whoa,
Yeah.
look how white I look.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully none of the sounds are as annoying as that. The new sounds are actually quite a bit more pleasant.
Yeah. Why does this still show up? We're over the 28.
Yeah, actually. I don't know if- oh, there's probably some hysteresis.
Mm.
But yeah. What else is there to talk about?
I mean, yeah, this Try 2 is going to be great, everybody. Go buy a comma 2 right now if you have a supported card. There's literally no reason not to. And just give it a shot. See how you like OpenPilot. It's great.
Oh, comma hack. We gotta talk about comma hack.
Yeah, how's the CTF going?
Anybody still doing it?
That's a good question. Is
Have you
anyone
guys-
still doing the
Or did
CTF?
anybody play it and have feedback?
Yeah. let us know. Logan said, or just try a 3.
That's
Also
right.
true.
You could just try a 3.
They're back in stock temporarily, so if you want one, buy it now. We might run out of stock real soon. Again.
We run out of stock of Comet 2s or 3s?
3s. Well, we got Comet 2s. Don't worry.
We're still waiting on screens.
For what? Comet 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're stuck. Someone said they're stuck on 6 out of 8. Submit if you haven't.
Yeah, if you haven't, I just like seeing all the submissions. We did give out all the prizes already. Although there was one flag in there for an extra prize, and nobody actually followed the instructions on that flag.
It's really sad.
So if you did find that flag, and you know what instructions I'm talking about, update your form, and we'll get you your prize sent out. Because quite a few of you did find all 8.
How many Comet 2s are left? There's so many. And we're going to be even making a few more Comet 2s. So we don't just have what we have. We have even more Comet 2s that we're going to make. Production's very excited. We're going to do a Comet 2 week one of these weeks. We're going to mix it up. After building all Comet 3s for quite a while, get back to the old Comet 2s.
Yeah. But yeah, if you haven't done the CTF and want to come to Comet Hack, you can still submit up until the event. The event's kind of full, but you know, if you do well on the CTF, you can come. We can always use more good people at the event.
Yeah.
If you're a winner, you're always welcome. There we go.
We're back. Oh no. No more steering. No, the Comet 3, you can look at it with sunglasses. There's no issues. It's correctly polarized.
Oh, should we tell them about the... Should we tell them about that?
Yeah, we can tell them about that.
Yeah, so in early production, we found out that there was a lot of early issues with those screens, and we had to reject a lot, and we had to throw away lots of screens. But and then at the end of all that, we found out that some of them are also polarized wrong.
Yeah, what happened is Igor and I were looking at Comet 3s, and we're like, this one looks like blue. The screen looks blue when it's off. So then I was like, oh, let me just get a pair of glasses, like a sunglasses, and let's try it out. Let's check out what's going on. And then I looked at the stress test, and like half of them were black with sunglasses. I'm like, oh no!
I think that was right before the first batch too.
It was right before.
Yeah, the first batch was going to be like double the size it was, but
yeah, that's like, we gotta reject all these screens. So we took them all off, rejected them. All the screens coming out in Comet 3s are polarized the correct way. It's really nice. I know that was a big issue with the Comet 2s. Funny enough, like a lot of the monitors around the office also are polarized the wrong way if you wear glasses. Yeah, isn't it weird OLED displays are polarized? It looks like the smartphone people do this so like you can hold it vertically and it looks the best for glare. So, but that's wrong. Like if you're looking at a smartphone screen like this and then we mount it like this, you got a problem. So these
it
are all
works great
correct.
for the open pilot application. It's a nice screen.
Yeah, it's a great screen.
And we have a designer in the pipeline, in the interview pipeline.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll be seeing some of his work in open pilot soon.
Some new design.
Yeah.
Be awesome.
To make use of that great screen.
It's really beautiful. Anyone with a Comet 3 can attest to that.
And they're all the same. We calibrate them.
I know, they look exactly the same.
Oh my god.
Jakar said, I don't know where all these loud beeps are coming from. I haven't gotten any of these.
Wait, really?
Yeah. So
Do you have this patched
there
out
we
or
go.
something?
Red alert. Shields up. Oh man.
What else is
This car's probably good for highway cruising. I'd say that.
Yeah, I'm sure it's great for highway cruising. It was It was great when I was driving around when there was no traffic earlier today. I mean, it's tuned pretty well too.
Look at that.
Yeah, Jakar did a great job with the port. Actually, let's ask him for an update. How's Longitudinal doing?
Yeah, how's Longitudinal?
Any work on that? Good Choom, yes. What would good... That guy's hilarious.
Jakar said he can engage at 0 and he doesn't get any of these issues. He probably
You can
has
engage at 0?
Yeah.
Wait, what's the difference?
Yeah, how do we engage at 0? Torque on the Mazda is kind of like better than the Accord. I'd say maybe. What do you think? Maybe.
It's probably more than that.
Yeah,
Like, let's see
maybe
how
a
it does
little
here. So we're going to run 40. Let's see.
Hey, that's
No.
no.
Okay. But it's holding it.
That's good. I like when they hold it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah.
I had to click reconnect. We're back. No one said F in chat this time, so maybe we didn't cut out. Who knows?
How many people are watching?
82.
82.
Mazda.
We got likes already? Can you get likes on a live stream?
Yeah, 28
Oh,
likes.
short F.
Short F, welcome back. Everyone, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to 100 likes. We don't have enough people for that, but yeah, smash that like button. Any other questions anyone has? Anyone buy a comma 2 yet?
Wait, Jakar, the blind spot stuff also doesn't work. It doesn't block the lane change properly. I haven't looked into it yet.
Good Choom said haha.
Oh, he's watching?
Yeah.
I don't understand what your complaints are, man. Do you wanna clarify here?
VOACC, that's kind of tied in with end-to-end longitudinal. Once end-to-end longitudinal is good enough to ship, I feel like that's when VOACC is coming out. We're probably just gonna focus on end-to-end longitudinal. 53 likes, that worked. It would like double the amount of likes.
I don't think I've ever liked a YouTube video.
Ooh, what are some of the hackathon project ideas?
Oh, we got some cool ones. So we're thinking of doing a CanFD carport. I think that's gonna be Igor's project.
That's awesome.
Yeah, Red Panda support and Multi Panda support finally in 0811. It was ready for 0810, but it just was done too close to the release. We couldn't merge it that close. What else we got? It'd be cool if somebody did a see-through comma 3, so they track your head pose, and then they use the cameras on the back to pass through, like you're looking right through it.
That'd be cool.
We have some maybe an announcement for new hardware at the hackathon.
Not a comma 3S.
Not a comma 3S or a comma 4.
Comma 3 forever.
Comma
3 just
no,
came
we're already
out.
working on the comma 6, guys.
6 cameras. We need all the cameras.
6 cameras. What else? What other projects we have? Comma security. Yeah, we're thinking comma security.
We're finally thinking about it.
I mean, we've always thought about it. It's just, who has time for comma security?
Yeah, wouldn't that be neat if your car
We're actually
got
talking
hit or something? Like you got
Is the
beat.
spot open again?
All
How did I
right.
get so lucky today?
Woo! We got the 30-minute.
Yeah. It's not actually 30 minutes. Yeah, we got lots of cool projects lined up. A lot of Comma employees want to do Comma security stuff.
Yeah.
We're thinking streaming instead of the snapshot feature. The snapshot feature is pretty lame, I think. So it'd be really cool if you can stream Comma. It needs less power. Yeah, we're also going to work on that.
Yeah.
Comma 3.3. Bark.
With the
Bark.
great
That's cool.
speaker.
Oh, the great...
Beep, beep, beep. If someone breaks in.
What else? Anything? Oh, no, the comma watch. It's the comma and then, 4 letters. Can anybody guess it? George might have talked about it before.
He's hinted at the thoughts.
Comma century mode.
Yeah.
But yeah. Coming to Comma Connect maybe after the hackathon. If you guys have hackathon project ideas, put it in maybe the CTF channel.
Yeah. We'll check them out.
We'll come.
No, we're not going to parallel park.
Did anybody say anything about the CTF for the hackathon?
No.
Nope. Comma 4? No, it's not the comma 4.
Comma neck.
What do you guys want of the comma 4 though? I'm curious.
Yeah, comma 3 has like everything you'd want, right? Got 360 vision.
Yeah.
Oh, it takes forever to.
Yeah, the
Take
ignition
ignition
doesn't
off.
turn off. It turns off after a minute. I don't know why they do this.
Super strange.
What's the most commonly used vehicle?
It's still the Prius.
by far.
By far, yeah.
And there's the RAV4, the Corolla, and it's like one more Toyota.
Someone said no screen.
No screen.
The screen's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Hmm.
All right.
George was on earlier.
Yeah, we ready to
All
go
right.
in?
Yeah, let's go in.
You'll open the door.
Yeah, I'll open her.
Cool. All right, everyone. Moment you've been waiting for. End-to-end longitudinal. Let's try it out. Got some improvements since last time when it basically didn't work at all. All right. Yeah, it drives better than someone who's been driving for a week, maybe. We'll see. Harold, it's time. Look at all our boxes we have. You ready? All right.
can't guarantee is it better than it's ever been.
There's new hardware. You gonna show them new hardware?
What? Oh well, I think the other cover bodies in there.
Maybe show at the hackathon.
No, I
Cross
mean
stream?
these are some parts of comma bodies. Comma bodies are coming soon. You'll be able to attach your comma 3 to your comma body. So like here's a comma 3. The other comma bodies in there are being worked on. But just imagine this, but a little narrower and like extended up to like, we're gonna make them a nice 5 feet tall. You know?
Should we shit on Lumo?
Oh, well,
Go fast.
how do I spell that thing? Lumo?
Lumo.
Loomo.
Oh, Loomo. Yes. Okay. Well, so it's going to be nothing like this, we promise. When I see a Lumo, I just want to kick it. Right? Look, I just want to kick it, right? And can you kick it? Yes, you can. Right? Like that's what I think. But when you guys see a comma body, it'll be like, wow.
Cool.
So you asked, what can the comma body do? And let's go for a drive, because that's the wrong question.
What's important is that if you can't see a stop sign or a stoplight, that you mention comma pencil can help here.
Comma pencil will help.
Or I guess I can just join.
Yeah,
I will
just
go
come-
for
come
the
with
drive.
Is anyone penciling in?
Wait, I'll open that.
Well, yeah, Harold, you gotta come here to complain.
We stuck outside now?
I got my phone. I've never tried N10 longitudinal before. The best it's ever been. Is it good? Am I gonna be upset?
Unclear. Unclear.
Am I gonna like this or not?
I think I'll go in the back. Harold, I think I should go in the back, like
All right.
for angles. It's the comma garage. All right. You put this in a cup holder somewhere. All right. We're in. We got copyright claim.
Yeah, that's right.
I like parts of the experience,
Okay.
so I hope you feel the same way.
So you're telling me the highways actually was good?
I like the highway. I thought it did some really smooth and impressive things.
I like off highway.
It doesn't. It only opens with the button.
Really?
Is that true? Has it been an illusion the whole time?
Yeah, it's always been like that.
I sit there, I press the button, and it's on like the 6th press that it closes. Wow.
So, Harold, give an introduction. What is N10 longitudinal? If someone's watching this video for the first
Yeah,
time.
so N10 longitudinal in this case, it's really just doing what the model wants to do, what the model thinks a human would do.
All right.
No lead cars only play a very small role as like limits. Everything else is really just letting the model do what it thinks a human would do.
Oh! Whoa!
Yeah, so
Wow! It stopped at a stop sign. All right, let's go. Good call. Good call, model.
it went by itself.
This is pretty sick, bro. I don't even think this is some FSD shit.
Yeah, it's,
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, and that call on the
Oh,
Everyone's like, the audio sounds like it's coming through the car. Let me try.
all right. We stopped.
yeah, sometimes it stays stopped, sometimes it goes.
What would a human do here? All right, let's go.
See, this is really where comma pencil can help, I think.
Why is comma pencil gonna help with this?
Also, the problem is we only have a very narrow field of view that the comma 3 has
Oh,
access
they
to.
got to improve the
Yeah.
do those comma 3 labels. All right.
So we need to see the full field of view for the.
All right. Well, so much for that stop sign. All right, but hey, 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Yeah, but so to use the full comma 3 field of view, we need the segment to work on the full field of view because that's an essential part of our offline stack. And so comma pencil needs to work on comma 3.
I mean,
data.
to be fair, I'm not sure I would have stopped at that stop sign either.
I'm not sure if that's a good excuse.
Oh, I think the lenses. We gotta clean the lens too.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's dirty.
Dirty lens.
Dirty lens.
Sorry for the weird Bluetooth audio, everybody.
All right. You want to clean the lens before I engage?
Actually, it's fine. It's not gonna matter.
All right.
We're going into some traffic.
All right. Let's merge here. All right. Good merge.
Yeah, so it's much more aggressive than the normal policy is, because the normal policy is quite.
Wait, so this is almost entirely end-to-end?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right.
And yeah, it should. I mean, yeah, so it's a lot more aggressive, which is one of the nice parts. It really knows when to be aggressive. We have very conservative limits in the normal planner, because otherwise it would just floor it when you really don't want it to. But now it's really.
This is really good.
I know, it's impressive, right?
I mean, this is like almost shippable if it just didn't stop at stop signs.
Yeah, I think really with the wider field of view, you know, it's really gonna be quite good.
Yeah, big model. Looks like it's coming to the Comet 3 only. Who wants to write the code to make it work on the 2? I mean, you guys can try. I don't know if we're gonna do it.
Yeah, it is very exciting.
All right.
Looks like the lead thing is screwing up here.
Yeah, but that shouldn't really matter for the policy. It's really just doing what the model wants to do. So I've noticed when it gets at low speed, it can really get quite confused. And then here...
Oh, well, it can't. This is why we need the bigger box.
Yeah,
Comma
exactly.
pencil.
Comet pencil. It's
Let's
in the
go.
description.
Let's
Go
go.
do it. There's a bunch of Comet 3 images in there.
Oh, yeah, great.
Yeah, this is the live end-to-end longitudinal branch.
Yeah, this is end-to-end longitudinal. That was a little hard on the brakes.
Yeah, every now and again it's a little
Is
aggressive.
that? Can we put an alert if it's hitting the car policy?
Yeah, we can. Or
Yeah.
maybe just a little indicator.
An indicator if it's using the car policy at
Yeah.
all. Yeah. Because that might have been a car policy based thing. I don't know. At least I found on the Hyundai it brakes way too hard for the cars, but it's probably poorly tuned.
Yeah, the Hyundai's weird.
Yeah.
Like it slams the brakes. It's super strange.
But the limits
Yeah.
here are much. They're much closer.
We
to
just
the
lowered
car.
the following. What did we
Yeah.
set the following distance to?
75%.
Oh. I mean, that's still.
And it's also not that tightly coupled. Most of the cost is an acceleration from the model, which has nothing to do with the leads.
Yeah, all right. We're going to let this guy in, model. What do you think?
There's no way he can see that. Comet pencil.
Comma pencil, let's go.
I don't know. What I found really impressive is just how smooth it is. I feel like in this stop and go, it's more smooth than the normal policy.
Yeah, I think this is pretty good.
It just has much better awareness.
All right, we'll go back to the streets. I don't want to wait in this traffic.
Yeah.
All right, wait. Model should be able to do that, right? Drive aggressively.
It should be.
Drive aggressively.
Well, and now what's exciting with this
oh,
cutout, it's not
oh.
going to floor it as much as it usually would. Well, this is maybe too little. But yeah, this is something that really annoys me with the normal policy, is that it'll just shoot past slow-moving traffic, which is completely unreasonable.
Well, let's set it to something unreasonably high and see what it does.
Yeah, I mean, it's not accelerating that much anymore.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. So you see my max is 49 and we're going 34 right now. We gonna slow down for this turn? I mean, actually, I probably wouldn't slow. Whoa!
Oh, what's it gonna do?
I want it to go.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's
slowing
slowed
down?
for this one.
I slow down for this one when I drive this.
Oh, I really
Not
regret
this
going
slow
here.
Oh yeah, this
I
merge.
didn't mean to. No, I didn't mean
The
to.
hell merge.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah, we're in the
This
Corolla.
is what the model wanted.
This is what the model wanted. It didn't know. I wanted to go home.
Oh, that's
We
first
gotta,
wild to feel the
we gotta
feedback
go.
maps.
We're going to the office. Wow, that was good. That was really good.
That felt nice.
Yeah, that felt like it didn't feel like it. Like, oh, I picked up the lead car. Oh, let me brake aggressively.
Yeah, no, it's showing hints of superhuman level of driving.
Wow, this is almost shippable.
I know, right?
Like it's like almost like we gotta figure. I mean, I think it's slowed down too much.
Put in nav for it.
Yeah, put it in there. Put it in the office.
Check it out.
All right,
Actually
navigate on
using nav.
OpenPilot. Let's go.
Fail to route. Oh boy. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
I was real quick with the error message.
Yeah,
I'm only 8 minutes away.
guys, when we put in this navigation with the end-to-end everything, yo, that's just called driving.
I think it's just gonna work. Wide field of view, the maps. No, I think that may have been a stretch.
Where's my keeps?
Oh, look, slowing down.
Wow, slow down for turns.
Wow.
That was cool. Look at this, guys.
Pretty wild, isn't it? Just
This is
doing
great.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess that's not the model's fault.
Well, it kind of is. That I don't know. I don't know about that.
Or picking up speed, that's probably not
All
what
right.
I would do here, because this is the sharpest turn of all
Oh,
time.
okay, never mind. How did it know? All right, a pedestrian crossing ahead. Oh, okay, the model couldn't even see that. I think we need to. Did you see? No, the path was straight.
Yeah, I think this model didn't train as well laterally as the
Oh,
Shift ones did.
okay.
This is
Yes, it's clear that it kind of didn't.
the training's still a little bit unstable, to be honest.
Oh, the longitudinal training? What, you mean in the RL or the?
Yeah, so the joint simulator training where it trains lateral and longitudinal.
Okay.
So I'm training one now that is stable, but that's going to take another couple of days to get on the car. So.
Yeah. What, are we gonna make it faster?
No, it'd be nice, but it's not a requirement.
Well, that's what I know how to do. I make things faster.
People keep saying this doesn't look like it's shipping soon. What do you mean? Open Pilot right now would just floor it no matter what.
Wait, they don't think it's shipping soon? What are they saying?
They're saying shipping soon in quotes.
All right, it's not shipping
Blah, blah,
soon.
blah.
We won't lie to you. We won't lie to you guys.
I just think the trend of improvement since the last stream we did with this has been very, very clear.
All
Yeah.
right.
It
All right,
didn't work,
let's put
really.
the speed absurdly high and see if it goes absurdly fast.
Someone said this is as good as FSD.
Yeah, I mean it kind of is. Yo, everyone who wants this stuff needs to lower their expectations. Look, like that's cool. Look, the speed's 55. It's not going 55.
This is how I'd go.
Yeah, that's how I'd go too.
Nice.
All right, is it gonna stop for this green light like a Tesla?
Woo!
No,
Oh, is it going to do that? Oh.
that's not bad.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know why it does this. It's just like very hesitant. It doesn't like commit to stuff that's 100%.
Someone said I tried end-to-end long today and it was super smooth and stopped at a lot of red lights. Only thing I noted is that it drove 10 to 15 miles below speed limit on some roads.
Oh, well, this was the bug, right? Yeah, no.
Too lucky. We need comma pencil.
Well, do you think it just couldn't see that in time? Or?
Well, I mean, it was there, right? Should have seen it.
I should.
I think it was just stupid.
I was probably just being stupid.
Yeah, we're back, by the way.
I mean, to be fair, like you didn't have to slow down. Did you do the math?
I wouldn't trust it. Oh, I was gonna stop there for a second.
Okay. I mean, this is pretty chill right here. Right? Like normally it would like zip up there and then.
Yeah, but the first thing I see that's fixing is just not like floor it when there's cutouts. So
Yeah.
it goes super fast next to slow moving traffic.
Well, the really nice thing about the safety of end-to-end longitudinal is we can leave in the car policy, and we're not going to remove the car policy, but it's just like a rail, right? And you can oh, what was that? All right.
One of these lights turn red.
Notice, by the way, how my speed is set to 57.
Yeah, and we're going like 25. It's pretty good.
Up.
Oh, look
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Stop for red light. Yeah.
at this. Nice.
There's no. Is that in the box? No, probably wasn't.
It just knew.
I think it just remembers.
What do you mean it remembers? How can it remember whether it's green or red? Oh,
Well, it
remembers.
sees
Yeah,
it
yeah,
from,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
a few seconds
Oh, it
ago.
remembers from a few seconds ago. It's just not like it's like, well, we trained on the lights and the time of day and wait, this is so Tesla quality right
It
here.
remembers wrong.
It sees a lot of red lights up there. It's up. No, it eventually
I
went.
think the car is moving next to it. Sometimes that inspires it.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
fine.
All right, you know this is a stop sign, right? Blinking red? No, it doesn't know that. All right. Well,
What are your thoughts?
it's about what I thought it would be, actually.
That's good.
Yeah.
Someone said Tesla quality. Ship it.
I mean, it's Tesla quality. We don't ship things that are Tesla quality.
Almost shippable.
It feels kind of like FSD, although to be honest, I was more scared in the FSD car.
At least the wheel isn't gonna jerk.
Exactly. At least I know the lateral's good. Well, actually, not really. It really didn't converge.
Well, if we can keep the trend of improvement going from the last few weeks,
Yeah.
I see a good path to shipping some of these features.
One of the keys to making this work was our simulator now understands depths a bit more. Oh, you see, just by habit, I disengage in front of the lights. I don't remember that I can just leave it on.
Wild.
Yeah. All right. So, and can we have some? Maybe that's one of our benchmarks. We have to stop at 99.9% of lights.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
I think once it can see them, it's really going.
I think so too. Yeah.
Like, it's so much harder a problem to remember.
Yes. Imagine, yeah. Imagine you. You know, we should ship model goggles.
Yeah.
Put on your model goggles.
Be a model for a day.
Be a model for a day and see how well you can drive. You know. And then stop blaming OpenPilot. Like, let's park in the street. We'll take this to the office.
Sounds good.
Sweet.
Alrighty.
Great.
Seems more promising than 10.3.
Well, you know, the bar is low. I didn't control it all. You want to grab Greg? Yeah.
You gonna say bye?
All right, yo, thank you for joining the stream. Look, I have very high hopes for at 10 Longitudinal. We have almost a depth net now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try it too.
Oh, try it too. Yeah. Look, if you want a 3 but are like, wow, that's expensive, try a 2. And you'll be like, wow, this 2 is so good that you'll buy a 3. And instead of spending $21.99, you'll spend $10.99 and then another $10.99. So it'll feel like it's only $10.99, but 2 times, right? Have you guys ever seen those commercials with, like, you know, when something's like $100 on an infomercial, but they don't want to tell you? So it's like 4 easy payments of $25.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. But this is just 2 easy payments of $10.99. It doesn't read signs, it judges speed by everything in the scene. That's true. $99.99. All right. Office crew.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Should we show them the new office?
Not yet. Bye.